safe. I don't know if you can see, but it's your secret. What secret? What? What does this mean? Your secret? What? Wait a minute. It says safe. Maybe I need to check my safe. Here it is. I'm gonna enter the password. Wait. What the heck? You're a phony. Hey! That's... Are they saying my voice is fake? What the heck? Who's doing this? My voice is not fake! Wait a second. Phony! Maybe that means I need to check my phone. Look, there's paper on my phone. It says, "You can wear my sweatshirt." That's lyrics to Jacob Sartorius. Maybe I should look up Jacob Sartorius. Wait a second. Maybe I need to check my sweatshirt. This is a hoodie. My sweatshirt's a